Hello friends, once again I'm back with my third part of WAT series. So the first word is quality. HC Verma books have quality content in both part of physics. Hide. Enemies can't be hide. I'm really sorry. See, this mistakes can happen at SSP as well. So we need to be careful. Well, I'm practicing. I have my SSB on 1st of June, so I'm preparing for it, and I thought to create a video for the future aspirants as well. So let's move ahead. Master. Daily practice makes master in any skill. Courage. Courageous boy who saved a life was awarded by president. College. College is a place where we learn life lessons. Enemy. Laziness is an enemy, we must kill it. Journal. Reading journal of your interest will lead you to do some R&D. See, I wanted to write research and development, but the time did not allow me. Please tell me if it is allowed or not in SSPs. I have never appeared for SSP. I went there twice, but I got screened out both the times. That is the reason I have no much experience of WAT and TAT. I'm just preparing with this book and internet. Kill. Mosquito repellent liquids are also harmful to human. Team. In SSB, GTA tasks can be achieved by teamwork. Pet. A cow is the best pet animal one can have. Past. One who learns from the past is future bright. Quali- Quantity. Quality always win over quantity in any respect. Behavior. Our behavior is in public shows the character of us. Learned. See, this is the second form of learn. So I take it, converted the word in learning. Continuous learning will definitely lead us to achieve the goals. Over. Learning must not over until goal is achieved. Literary. Well, I was not aware about the meaning of this word, so I thought it's related to literacy, and I was quite true. Then I created a sentence with related to books and knowledge. So I wrote the same. A man who reads the book daily, his word power would be strong. So I made like this. So next we have unity. I wrote about Statue of Unity is the tallest statue of the world. Well, I had some better ideas as well in my mind, but first idea was this, so I wrote this. Minister Manish Sisodia won the best education minister of the Asia. Irritate. Meditation can help us avoiding irritation. Inauguration. Now, inauguration pattern is changing. People are calling defense personnel instead of ministers. Minor. Juvenile code is made for betterment of minor criminals. Major. Agriculture has major impact of our GDP. Hurry. NDRF team reacts very fast to help the citizen. Well, my mind was blank when I seen the hurry word. I did not have any sentence in my mind when I listened the hurry word. So I taken it as a fast or quick, and I make a sentence. Please tell if I'm wrong or right. Enforce. Again, same happened with this word as well. It's I think it's a counter effect of the blank mindset. India has seen three emergencies since independence. So enforcement is something like forcing someone. So emergency was forced on us. Thief. Tight patrolling of police removes fear to be theft. Pity. It's pity that our own countrymen ask for proof of our army operations. Depress. Roaming around with friends help us to come out of depression. Speed. Scientists are still finding something higher than speed of light. Party. Reunion party of school and college friends are the best party. See, these are 30 words. I completed this in 16-17 minutes, which is little higher than what is expected to be done in SSPs. We have 15 seconds, so I need to focus more, but please tell the quality of the sentences and how it is. Please write your comments below.